Welcome back to 164 Revival, and this is part two of the two-part Sizzler series here. That I'm redoing the 8 Sizzlers that I got at an auction. None of them worked. I'm not going to do any restoration per se to like the buys. I'm just going to leave them all original. And the first part, I got some really good comments. I got really good information, some good terminology correction, and some tips on things I could do with the motors and batteries, and how to properly clean them up. So I'm not a pro at this by any means. So let's get to part two, and I hope you enjoy it. Wipe down the body or the glass here. It's in good shape. I mean, this windshields, or the ones that are on here, seem to be a lot different than what's on a regular Hot Wheels. I mean, it's real flimsy. No, not real flimsy, but you can bend it a lot easier. And they're pretty much all like a milky glass. Put that back in there, and it just pops in there like so. The base, which has been soaking in cleaning vinegar, not really your cooking vinegar. It's the cleaning vinegar. And I may have a bit of an issue with this one, but I think I know how to get around it. And that is, let me put this down here. You can see these bent tabs coming off of this contact, which is the switch contact. Switch on and off. Here's the constant contact here, but corrosion has eaten through and those tabs came off. So let me get this patted down here. Let me get this dried off. Okay, what I'm going to attempt, boys and girls, don't do this at home. I'm going to try to snip a slot there, right in the middle. One on the other side, right on the other side of that little dimple there. Or that little C right there. Alright. Now we're going to try and bend those in. Make our own little tabs out of what was left of this copper plate here. I'm not sure if that's going to do it or not, but let's see if we put a battery in here, if that's even going to make connection. Does not appear to be just enough, so let's hit her again. Hate to be bending back and forth, as you guys know. Thin metal. Keep on bending it. It's gonna go away. Yep. Alright, we need to devise a plan B. Okay, I spotted in my stash there a little .008 bronze. It's real thin stuff. And I cut a template out. Well, not a template, but piece that I can use that will slide in. And then I will need to bend that down in. So I can have a tab like the other side. This is the negative side. Let's see how she fits in there. Looks like we got contact. And we can get it out if we need to. Let's just see if it'll run the motor. That will be the trick. So we need to install these motors, and these are super fiddly to get in there. Then we got to make sure our negative contact here makes contact on the post there. I believe we've got contact, so let's try the switch. And it is coming down onto the body for the positive contact. And let's install the battery. Moment of truth. Not getting much negative contact, but we are on the battery. The modification seems to have worked. I need to work on that contact, make sure it goes where it needs to go. Alright, flip the switch. Alright, and away we go. So we can pop the wheels on. This little tab, just kind of raise that in, pop it in. We're good to go. Wish all Hot Wheels were that easy. Got the body. They got a little tab on the back side here. Slide it in the slot. You can see it says Ford Mark IV. And as I said before, earlier in the episode here, just kind of shaved off the outside of this melted plastic tab that comes through the slot. What I do to keep this front end together and the body not flying off is we'll just take just a dab across the middle of it, right there. Not put too much glue on it, just in case you got to get back into it. It'll be easy. Get some accelerator and pop a drop on there, or two. Let that harden up. It's ready to race. Like I said, I got, I believe it was 6. Ford Mark IV. It's a sharp little race car. I just did, like I had said, spoil sport. And then we got the Angelino M70 in hot pink. It's got a little bit of fade here, but I mean these are early 70s. Early 70s. And then over here we got the straight scoop, which I haven't done yet. This one's gonna need some work too. Yeah, it's got some fading on the back, but you can see there's a little bit of chipping here going on the windshield, but again, this is the straight scoop. I'm just going to clean them up. Looks like they got some grime on them. And the other ones, I will show you. Oh. Quit kicking stuff around. And this one didn't come with the box. I wish they had all of them. This is the Firebird Trans Am brown. That one needs to be worked on. We get the Mustang, and it's, you know, and I'm sure that was, it might have been from sun, it might have been from the corrosion in there. Right there again, there's the how they put it together from the front side, and they've all got little tabs. Cool spoiler on it. Cool card. That needs to be done. Let's see what we got here. They pretty much, do I want to say they've all got the same base on them? It looks like they got the same base on them. So you can put any body on whatever base, I guess. I don't know, I need to be looking these up. You know, see what they're all about a little bit in more detail. We got this is a live wire. It needs work. So I got 7, actually got 7. Had one hiding over here. That windshield, it's got some little cracklies on it. I mean, you could wipe that all off. And I'm assuming this was all chrome and it came off due to, not sure which one this one is. There it is. The Revin Heaven. Yep, needs worked on. So I got 4 more to work on. I got 3 that are ready to rock and roll. I got some about, I think I got 5 of the 7. Oh, wait a minute, I got 8. Count, dummy. This is the one that I didn't know I had, was the Revin Heaven, which makes 8. So I got 5 I got to do. I got 3 accomplished. Some of them I got the original packaging. So that's pretty much how I've been putting them back together and in working order. So I'll get the rest of these done, and maybe in another episode of a remodel or a remake or a custom, I'll show you 1 or 2 of these that I've got done, and I might even put together that orange track and race a couple of them around in an oval. Might have a little surprise with that too. So thanks for stopping by and checking out 164 Revival. In this episode we were doing the Sizzlers. Thanks for stopping by. Alright, that concludes this 2-part little series on the Hot Wheels Sizzlers. I want to thank you guys for watching. In the comments, if there's anything that I did wrong, incorrectly, spoke incorrectly, named something incorrectly, please let me know. I'm learning these things. I think they're really cool. I wouldn't mind picking up a few more, whether they worked or not, and being able to work on them. It was really a lot of fun. I know a lot of you guys had these and then went into the slot car arena. So if there's something that I need to be corrected on, please let me know so I can learn, and I can gain a little bit more knowledge on these. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.